Welcome friend. In this new video we derive the Stirling's interpolation formula. For that we need two Gauss formulas, Gauss forward central difference formula and Gauss backward central difference formula. So I will write the expressions of Gauss forward central difference formula and Gauss backward central difference formula. Y u equal to y0 plus uc1 delta y0 plus uc2 delta square at y at minus 1 plus u plus 1 c3 delta cube y at minus 1 plus u plus 1 c4 delta raised to 4 y at minus 2 plus 1. This is the Gauss central difference forward formula, and backward one is yu equal to y0 plus uc1 delta y at minus 1 plus u plus 1 c2 delta square y at minus 1 plus u plus 1 c3 delta cube y at minus 2 plus u plus 2 c4 delta raised to 4 y at minus 2 plus like this. So let us add these two formulas. 2yu equal to 2y0 plus uc1 into delta y0 plus delta at y at minus 1 plus uc2 plus u plus 1 c2 into delta square y at minus 1 plus u plus 1 c3 delta cube y at minus 1 plus delta raised to 4 y at minus 2 plus u plus 1 c4 plus u plus 2 c4 delta raised to 4 y at minus 2 plus like this. So 2yu equal to 2y0 plus uc1 delta at y0 plus delta at y minus 1 plus this u plus 1 uc2 and u plus 1 c2. uc2 means u into u minus 1 divided by 2 factorial plus this u plus 1 into u divided by 2 factorial. So taking 2 factorial common and u divided by 2 factorial common, that will be u minus 1 plus u plus 1. So this u plus 1 u minus 1 get cancelled and we get 2 into u. So this will be 2 into u square divided by 2 factorial into delta square y at minus 1 plus the next term, removing this plus u plus 1 c3 delta cube at y minus 1 plus delta raised to 4 y at minus 2 into plus see the u plus 1 c4. u plus 1 c4 means u plus 1 into u minus 1 into u minus 2 divided by 4 factorial plus u plus 2, this is u plus 2 into u plus 1 into u minus 1 divided by 4 factorial. So how many terms common? U plus 1, u and u minus 1 common. U plus 1 into u minus 1 divided by 4 factorial into u minus 2 u plus 2. Plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled and u into u. So we get u plus u, that is a 2u, and therefore this plus terms, this will be 2 times u square, u plus 1 and u minus 1, u square minus 1 square divided by 4 factorial into delta raised to 4 y at minus 2 plus like this. Now dividing by this 2 throughout this problem, so that we get yu equal to y0 plus uc1 delta y0 plus delta y at minus 1 divided by 2 plus this 2 and that divide 2 will be cancelled, and we have u square divided by 2 factorial delta square y at minus 1 plus u plus 1 c3 delta cube y at minus 1 plus delta raised to 4 y at minus 2 divided by 2 plus this 2 and 2 will be cancelled, and we get u square minus 1 square divided by 4 factorial into delta raised to 4 y at minus 2 plus plus like this. So this is the new formula which is obtained from two Gauss formulas, Gauss forward and Gauss backward formula. So using these two formula we get the another formula which is a mean of these two formulas, and it is called as a Stirling's interpolation formula. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video.